Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a fall text effect in Canva. So I'm just going to type in fall. Obviously, you can type in autumn, whatever you want. And I'm also going to change the font of it. Okay, maybe not that. Let's do this. And then I'm just going to make it really big like this. And then I'm going to download it as a PNG transparent background. Then I'm just going to add a new page here, and then I'm going to go to elements and I'm just going to type in autumn. Go to photos. You can obviously use your own picture here. I'm just going to use this. And then after that, I'm just going to put the transparency at 25%. And I'm going to download that as well. Okay, turn the transparency back to 100% and grab the pictures of both like fall, the ones that you've downloaded, I meant. Just going to place it in front here. Okay, now grab this and then we're going to find cutout. This one. So select this first and then go to image and then select this and then use selected image. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit and then add to design. Okay, now we're going to delete this. Something like that. It should mesh well a little bit more with your design, but it's fine. Then go back to elements and we're going to go to graphics and just add like fall leaves and stuff like that. I'll add like another one and like flip it maybe. Like this. And then you're just going to add like a picture of a person. I'll just do like this and remove the background. And you're just going to kind of try to fit it with the text here. So you can like crop some stuff out. Like here maybe. So it looks like it's going out of like from the text. I don't know, it's up to you guys. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.